Assalamualaikum dan apa khabar semua? Hi everyone. Today we will study words related to emotion. Emotion means emosi. Emosi in Malay. Before we proceed, I would need your help to grow the channel by doing the following. Terima kasih sangat-sangat. And for you who want to practice your Malay and become fluent, you can sign up for a personal Malay lesson with me as soon as possible through this link, bit.ly/personal lesson. Class is either on Saturday, Sunday, or Monday. Back to our lesson. Jom mula. Let's start. Gembira, gembira, happy. Bahagia, bahagia, happy. Sedih, sedih, sad. Marah, marah, angry. Teruja, teruja, excited. Takut, takut, afraid. Malu, malu, shy, ashamed. Bersalah, bersalah, guilty. Penat, penat, tired. Cemburu, cemburu, jealous. Cinta, cinta, love. Sayang, sayang, love. Disayangi, disayangi, loved. Berharap, berharap, hopeful. Geram, geram, angry, resentful, hate, or like. Depends on context. Benci, benci, hate. Bosan, bosan, bored. Kasihan, kasihan, or kesian, kesian. Colloquially, pity, pity. Bangga, bangga, proud. Gementar, gementar, nervous. Cemas, cemas, anxious. Mengamuk, mengamuk, enraged. Gelisah, gelisah, restless. Panik, panik, panic. Terkejut, terkejut, shocked. Terpesona, terpesona, fascinated, enchanted. Keliru, keliru, confused. Kecewa, kecewa, disappointed. Lapar, lapar, hungry. Iri hati, iri hati, envious. Risau, risau, worried. Tenang, tenang, calm. Well, that ends our lesson for today. I hope this video is beneficial for you. Terima kasih for supporting the channel and until next time, sampai jumpa lagi.